Hi guys, welcome to the video. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Media Tech. So if you are just coming across one of my videos for the first time, my name is AY. I'm a tech enthusiast. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get free money. Yes, you heard me right, free money. For those of you that have been on this channel for a while now, you might be wondering that how does free money correlate with AY content? Well, it does correlate because from the title and the thumbnail of the video, you can see that this video is about cryptocurrency, and those cryptocurrencies are what are going to be getting that with that free money. Yes. So and for newbies here, you might consider hitting the subscribe button right below. Yes, hit the subscribe button down below the video. Yes, right down below the video because I know that most of my viewers are not subscribers. So hit the subscribe button down below. And if you hit that subscribe button down below and you're wondering what to subscribe for, well, let's take it off. What should I actually do on Media Tech is unboxing, gadget review, hardware and software review, including website reviews, tutorials for smartphone and internet news, cryptocurrency, and a touch of graphics design. So you want to continue watching videos on all these topics, hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to smash the thumbs up button down below this video to give us a like. It really helps us a lot, motivates me to make new video for you guys. Welcome to the video once again, guys. So I promised to make you free money, so well, I'm not backing out right here. I'm still going to show you guys how to get the free money. So let's get straight to the video. So the first crypto that you're going to mine that I'm going to show you right now is the Pi Network coin. So the Pi Network coin is a very promising coin right now. It has not yet been fully listed like with the price, but it's some sellers are accepting Pi as a form of payment. So in some countries out there, you can use Pi as a form of payment. But I think an iPhone is just going after 240 Pi. I think so. And Indonesia, China, what the country, you might be seeing that on the screen right now. So Pi is already accepted by some sellers to purchase products from them as a form of payment. So the Pi crypto can just be mined by clicking one button. So just click the link down below in the description to download the Pi app. This is my referral code right here. So once you download the Pi app, you join using my referral code, you get added to my earning team, my group chat. So once you join the app using my referral link, you get added to earning team where you can discuss about other cryptos and a lot of things. So you can message me directly through the app, ask us some things also. But just register through the app using my referral code and just to start mining. That's where the problem lies. If you don't want to use my referral code, you can start mining. You can't even go through the registration of the app. Just use the referral code, start mining, and once the coin get listed, you automatically get your free money. So I'm urging you to hit this link right now so you can get as many Pi as possible. So when the coin get listed, you make enough cool cash. You know what I'm saying? So number two, guys. So number two right now is the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin is already on Trust Wallet. They have the wallet, the wallet address. They have their own address right now on Trust Wallet, but it has not yet been listed. Unlike the Pi one I mentioned earlier, you can only get it through the app right now. So, but for B, they already have the token on the Trust Wallet app, but the price has not been listed. But you can get as much B as possible before the price get listed. I can make your money. So to get the B app, you have to download the B. To get the Bitcoin, you have to download the B app. Link in the description. Use my referral code SaintrAY right here. Join the app and click the button. Start mining. So this is one of the easiest of the money so of the mining process. So you just have to just register, click a button and start mining. So before you start mining, you have to get one Bitcoin. So if you use my referral code right now, you get a free one Bitcoin to activate the mining. So without wasting much of your time, just click the link down below and download the Bitcoin, the B app, so you can get enough Bitcoin to make enough money. Now get to the money making part. Yeah, so the last two crypto I'm going to show you guys now are already listed. They have the price already. So The first one I'm going to be showing you guys is the geocache, the GeoDb. So the GeoDB, the geocache token already has its price. It's an ERC20 coin. It's based on the Ethereum blockchain. You can just add it up on Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and once you mine, mind you, the geocache is very complex to change it to money. So what you have to do is register through the app. Use my referral code. I can't actually pronounce the referral code. It's a bit long, but check it right here, and it's also down in the description. I also drop the link to download the app down in the description. Use my referral code. I get some free geocoins to start mining. So you can. The app needs some special access to your phone to start mining. Your location must be on, and you have to continue using your phone. Keep the app running in the background so you can continue mining. Unlike the Pi and the B token, once you quit the app, it still continue mining, but the B has to keep running in the background. So give it access to your location, get your internet connection running, leave it in the background, and keep earning some Geocoin. So to get this into to transform this into money or transfer it, send it to your trust wallet where you can sell it to some other people. This is what I have to do. So MetaMask also supports the GeoDB coin. So the on the GeoDB app, the Geocache app, the Geocache app is actually test net. So once you send the Geocache, the GeoDB coin out of your Geocache, without doing this step I mentioned, you're just wasting it. It won't reflect anywhere you send it to. So you have to keep mining the coin for some time for you to be able to activate it in money. So I suggest keep mining for a month. After that, you follow the step in the video. So you can just save this video to your wallet later. So you have to click the link down below, connect it to your MetaMask wallet. Then it shows the balance of your GeoDB. Then once it shows the balance, just click on activate on that website. Once your GeoDB coin is already activated, then you can transfer it to your Trust wallet, whereby you can sell it to some other people to get your free money. So that seems like a lot of stress. But if you have any problem, or you're thinking you're going to be having problems, or you have problems or questions based on what I explained right now, just hit my WhatsApp link down in the description, message me, and tell me what your problem is. So, go to number 4. Woo! We're back to number 4. So number 4 is the best of all. I saved the best for the last. So the number 4 is the Thundercore or the Thundercore token. The Thundercore coin is a token icon. And either way, so the Thundercore has some blockchain. It is now based on Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's not actually based on Tron. So the Thundercore has some blockchain. It's not an ERC20 token, it's not an ERC10 token, it's not a TRC20 token, it's not a TRC10 token. Even it's not complex to use. So if you're a beginner, you're not into the cryptocurrency really that much. This app is really easy to use. It's the Thundercore Hub app. I'll drop the link to download in the description. So once you download that, if you go ahead and register without my referral code, you can start mining because you need some free Thundercore Thundercore to start mining. So text to me if you use my referral link, you get a free Thunder coin to start mining, to activate your mining. So and there are also cool tasks to to get more Thunder coin. So this is how the Thundercore app works. Once you download that, I rest out my referral code right there. Just you- once you download the finish, you the interface on the screen right now. You just click the get start mining right now. Once you click that, you go to the bind the referral. So it doesn't actually display where you are going to insert my referral code immediately. So once you download the app, sign in with your email. Once you sign in with your email, you click on start mining now. That is where you're going to bind a referral. That's why you're going to input. That's where you're going to input my referral code. So once you click on start mining, click on the bind referral. Just scroll down and click on the bind referral. Once you go down, click on bind referral. Just enter my referral code right here. Once you enter my referral code right here, it starts mining automatically. start mining automatically. And there are some cool quests that they bring up from time to time, so you can get extra Thundercore. So the price right now is actually $0.005, and uh, it looks very promising because either way, you might wait for the price to rise and you might actually start selling right now. It's none of my business. It depends on how you want to manage your Thunder current. So the Thunder current is a very good app. So mind you, all what I've said in this video is legit, 100% legit, and you can try it out right now. So in this I'm urging you guys to click on the link right now because I don't know when or the time those coins I told you are going to rise or get a price. So just click all the links I mentioned right now and get your pie as soon as possible before it gets its price. Get your Bitcoin as soon as possible before it gets its price. Geocache already has its price. It's at $0.21 right now and it's still rising. Geocache to the moon, nigga. So Thundercore is also rising. Thundercore to the moon. I wish you best of luck. Click the links down below and start to get to your free money. Bye guys.